You are creating a user interface using Python and tkinter, and you are creating a checkbox, and you want each time the user click on that checkbox, something happen. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. To create a checkbox in tkinter, you have first, of course, to create the main window, calling tk from tkinter. You define the geometry, title, and the color configuration if you want. You define an int var that will be later associated with your created checkbox, which is in fact a check button widget. You create your checkbox by defining the associated variable. You can configure some other appearance parameters like the font and the background color and the text, of course. Now you can run your application and you will have a function in checkbox. Now to trigger an event, each time the user clicks on the checkbox, you are going to define the command attribute to point to a function called, for example, say hi. Now you will define what this function does. In our case, it will get the value of the check button, and according to the value, it will display a particular message. To get the value, it will simply access to the associated int variable and call the get method. To display that message, we are going to use a label that will have at first the text property equal to an empty string. We will set some appearance features, then the say hi function will change the text value according to the value of the check button. In this video, we created a checkbox using Python tkinter by creating a check button widget. We also defined some events that happen each time the value of this check button changes. If you want to add another widget to your interface, like an entry widget to create a password form, for example, you can check this suggested video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.